The S&P has, since 2018, exhibited a series of very aggressive rallies and very aggressive sell-offs, and the market is going from extreme to ever wider extreme. So what we're seeing here right now is kind of a broadening wedge pattern. I had a similar pattern last year that the Fed busted on the way up with a target of 2100 to 2200. But the technicals still work. And when we got the COVID crisis, we went down to 2200. And right now we went all the way back up in a straight line virtually. It's fascinating. And I think everyone should be aware of that upper trend line. That's why we stopped last week. We got overextended. We hit that historic resistance. And now we see the reaction, right? Markets became very overbought and they came on narrowing participation, of course, in a rising VIX. There's messages in there. And so this historic resistance has just confirmed itself.
We have two more things I want to kind of mention, kind of move through quickly here. One is the divided S&P 500, high cap tech. I mean, would you call it a bubble?
In tech, absolutely. I'm just take Apple as an example. The company took 35 years to get to a $1 trillion market cap. It traded a $1 trillion market cap last summer, and it just added another 1.34 trillion on 12 months. Apple's doing well, but there's no earnings story that justifies this. And so what the chart basically shows you is that the broader market is actually trading poorly. It's trading the S&P on an equal weight basis for value line geometric index about 2750 to 2850. And these heavy cap stocks have exaggerated the move. And that's kind of what the illusion is here in terms of all market highs. It kind of breeds complacency and says things are better than they actually are in the broader market.
Yeah, although Apple could have a banner year next year between kind of pent-up demand, iPhone delays, and so forth. But yes, its multiple has moved up. Before we go, you think a dollar breakout to the upside could be ahead. Is that right, Sven? Just in a word?
Yes, I mean, we had just a little breakout today, and if that breakout confirms, it could pressure stocks further in the next few weeks. Although we have OPEX next week, so we're getting from oversold level to another rally here.
Well, thank you very much, sir. Moving through all of those for us, kind of help us with the backdrop of the sell-off. Sven Henrik from Northman Trader.